on 10th International Yoga Day, which is being celebrated across the globe on 21st June 2024 with the theme Yoga for Women Empowerment. This theme emphasizes yoga's role in women's overall well-being and promotes the transformative impact of yoga on the lives of women. Over the years, women have faced numerous health challenges such as polycystic ovarian disease and chronic stress. This year, our focus is to empower women through physical, mental, emotional, and social means, ensuring their overall well being with evidence based research on the age old discipline of yoga. Last year, theme was Yoga for Vasudeva Kundupakam, which means yoga for the world as one family. United Nations General Assembly on 11th of December 2014 passed a resolution in response to Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi's proposal in September to designate June 21 as the day of summer solstice as the International Day of Yoga. A 7-day international yoga festival was held on the banks of the holy river Ganges in Rishikesh from March 15 to 21 as a countdown for this important day. Health benefits of yoga are improved flexibility, reduces stress, increases cardiovascular endurance, reduces anxiety, reduces depression, improves quality of life during illnesses like cancer, stroke, ulcerative colitis, and rheumatoid arthritis. It enhances cell-mediated immunity, improves sleep, helps brain functions, and may assist in low backache. On 27th of May 2024, more than 7,000 yoga enthusiasts in the Bodh Gaya city practiced 25th countdown for International Yoga Day in the Yoga Mahotsav event. Chief Secretary of J&K, Shri Atal Duluji, launched several online competitions for the citizens of Jammu and Kashmir on 14th of June, yesterday, on my government portal to mark 10th International Yoga Day celebrations to be observed on 21st June 2024. The competition, themed as Yoga for Self and Society, included yoga doodle challenges, essay writing, poster making, and storytelling video contests. Chief Secretary said that the ancient practice fosters mindfulness techniques and that in aiding relaxation as well as reducing stress and anxiety. Yoga has now become an increasingly popular form of therapy, coping mechanism, and complementary treatment for mental health. Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji will be part of celebrations on 21st of June with 3,000 to 4,000 people at SKICC Srinagar on the banks of River Dal Lake. Let 8 billion, 11 crores, 53 lakh people of the world, as on June 14, 2024, unroll their mats, unroll their worries, inhale the future, exhale the past, and celebrate International Yoga Day. Happy International Yoga Day 2024.